Hello everyone, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to transfer tickets from your Apple Wallet to another Apple Wallet, or maybe to your friend on iPhone. So before we get started, make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this. We're uploading a lot of Apple Wallet videos, so definitely check that out. So as you can see, this is basically how it looks like when you want to transfer to, and then you can select from contacts, or you can manually enter a recipient, which you want to do if you're on iPhone. So as you can see, this is basically what you want to do, right? So these are the steps. So first, you need to locate and open the Apple Wallet on your iPhone. Now from there, once inside the Apple Wallet, you need to find the ticket you wish to transfer. Just tap on it to open the ticket details. You will open the details from the ticket. You will have everything pretty much about the ticket. Now in the ticket details screen, search for the share icon. Now this is in the details screen. Again, you can go and try to search for a share icon. Usually it's under, and then it typically looks like a square with an arrow pointing upward. From there, tap the share icon, and then what you want to do is you want to choose your preferred sharing method. Now, from the list of sharing contacts, you have a couple of options. You can select the methods you want to use to transfer the ticket. You can send it via messages, mail, airdrop, or any compatible apps, right? Usually airdrop would be the fastest way, or messages as well, but email is the slowest way to do this. So depending on your sharing method, you need to enter the contact details of the person you're transferring the ticket to. Now once you have entered the recipient information, tap the send button to transfer the ticket, and the ticket will be sent to the recipient and added to their Apple Wallet successfully. Now after the ticket is successfully transferred, you will receive a confirmation message or notification. So that's pretty much how it is, and how you can transfer tickets from your Apple Wallet to another Apple Wallet, or from your Apple Wallet to another iPhone. So if you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video.